folks, this is Adam McCaver coming to you with some very important breaking news from Miami, Florida. I'm standing outside of the Homestead Air Force Base with what seems to be a gunfight coming from inside. Rumors are going around that he is a proud government agent that has joined George Arsenov's drug ring. It's George Arsenov's recent death. This brings up some cases of other government agents who gone round and are still on the loose.
How did they know about this plan? It was supposed to be secret.
This broadcast has been on 10 stations.
So you came here to make fun of me?
Where am I? Who are you people?
You are in a secret association. It's called the MTK.
Born, run!
Ruined my life! What do you have to say for yourself? Last words?